Wine, cheese, pastries, bread. Here at Rind and Wheat in Spokane, they have just about everything you need. Whether you're stopping in for breakfast, checking out some sweet treats, or just grabbing a freshly baked loaf of bread, you can get it all here.
I just can't get enough of the goods here. The chocolate croissants, breakfast pizzas.
They have the best chocolate chip cookies ever.
I'm always here for the cheese.
Pastries are my number one, and Ricky always has a great variety of them.
And then his artisan loaves are just really amazing.
We do it all here, right?
I see that.
Ricky Webster is the owner of Rind and Wheat. As a baker, he wants his shop to have that special old world charm.
I just see goodness everywhere I look.
Yeah, you know, that was the goal, kind of like that one-stop shop where you could get a nice crusty loaf of bread, pick up some cheese, grab a bottle of wine, go home and kind of lay it out in front of you and just have a food experience with stuff local or from afar or wherever, and kind of just all tied together with a nice loaf of bread and some pastries.
It's one of those places where you just want to keep coming back, and I'm here pretty much every week.
You know, it's not something that you usually see around here. It's got that real home touch to it. Staff is really friendly. Everybody greets you. Everybody talks to you. You know, a little taste test here and there. It's just a good feeling when you come in.
I mean, all the baked goods. I mean, it feels like home.
Everything is made fresh every single morning. So a lot of times that smell will draw people in. They'll see that pastry case, but then they'll turn the corner and they'll be like, oh, you have cheese and you have wine, and well, I don't need to go anywhere else today. Here we go.
Like, glorious.
Unique, his flavors are unique.
I mean, the wines and cheeses that he has here, the variety he has there is also, you can't miss.
Coming up later in the show, Ricky and I are making a special seasonal sourdough.
So we can gently tell the bread what it needs to do.
Gently.
Right?
Bread.
It won't do what we want to do.
I need you to do this for me. Is that
Perfect,
gentle
perfect,
enough?
yeah.